Welcome to Radio King. Here is the fresh installation of 9-inch radio for new Toyota Prius. So you got 9-inch radio with IPS screen. You got external microphone for the best phone quality. This radio has 8 cores, 2 gigs of RAM, probably enough for anything you want to use in the car. You can use Google navigation as normally. You can make a Bluetooth calls or listen music through the Bluetooth. You got all your Irish stations with the names. Your steering controls will work as well. You can listen music through the USB. And you got 2 USBs over here. And you can also insert the SIM card to this radio and use the internet from the SIM card, or you can share the hotspot from your phone as you wish. So probably it's a tablet, high-spec tablet that is integrated into your car, and you can install any app available on the Play Store, Netflix, YouTube, New Pipe. You can do the browsing, you can do whatever you want. The New Pipe, it's like a Google with no ads as well. So everything is there. And also all of our radios has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and they both work wirelessly. I'm gonna show you in a second how Android Auto works on my phone. So to use CarPlay or Android Auto, you need to make sure that the hotspot is off over here and your phone is connected to the Bluetooth, and then you go to the app called T-Link and you will see the sign connection, and in a few seconds you will get your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So this is Android Auto, and this is my phone wirelessly transmitted into the radio, so I can use it. I can use my phone without touching my phone, so it's absolutely legal and you won't get fines because of that. Thank you.